Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk. This is the brand new Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It launched yesterday here in London. I went down to the event. They kindly gave me a phone. So let's today unbox it and set it up, and it is a beautiful device. So on the box it's clean, clear packaging. We just have the name and the brand. Down here at the bottom it's talking about the Leica triple camera setup that we have on the device. I'm looking forward to testing that out as well. On the side again, it's just got your name and the branding. Coming around to the back, one thing I want to point out is the two Ryland certification for eye comfort control. So let's actually get our device unboxed. It offers a great amount of features and settings inside here that we can change and adjust and really enjoy our brand new phone. So on top is our device, and I have received a black model. There are 4 other colors. There's an emerald green, a blue, twilight, and a pink gold. So there are different options available. So let's just set the phone to the side. So we have our SIM tool here. So inside we have a quick start guide. It just gives us information about our device, just getting us started. If you do need any information, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. I've actually received a European plug here, but you will receive a UK plug. One thing I want to talk about this is it's super fast charge, and this will use 40 watts of power from USB to USB-C. And with this, you can charge 70% of your phone in just 30 minutes. And that is unbelievable. So we'll be definitely testing that out. Also, they offer wireless charging as well, is up to 15 watts of wireless charging. Also inside our packaging, you've got your USB to USB-C for syncing and charging. We have USB-C headphones, and of course we are used to dongles now. We've got a USB to 3.5 jack there for adding on your older headphones and the choice of headphones. So having a look at the beautiful device here, it's absolutely stunning. If we turn around to the rear, this is where you're going to see the brand new triple lens setup from Leica. It has a shimmer and shine effect as well. One thing I do want to point out here as well is look at that power button. There is a different color. That is great to see. So the back has a different kind of coating. It means that it will get less fingerprints on it, and also it has a better feel as well. It doesn't feel so slippery. One of the main features is the cameras here, so let's discuss. So top left is your dual tone flash. Top right is a 40 megapixel wide angle lens, which has an aperture of f1.8. Underneath that is a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle lens of an aperture of f2.2. Then underneath the flash here at the bottom left is an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with an aperture of 2.4. Coming around to the front, let's power our device on. So the display is 6.39 inch display. It's an OLED panel with a resolution of 2K plus. So it's 3120 by 1440 resolution. It supports a PPI of 538 with 16.7 million colors. So it's a beautiful design phone from side to side and from back to front. So the front and the back are made up of glass with an aluminium frame. It's also using Corin Gorilla Glass protection as well. Now let's go through the setup phase. So one thing I want to highlight here is the accessibility options. So we're going to jump into font size here. I can swipe along, make the font lovely and large, which is great to see. This device is running Android 9 and one of the first range of devices running the brand new Android Pie. It also has EMUI 9, which is all about nature. So first of all, we have English and United Kingdom. We're going to get started here. You have terms of use, which is fine. You can just tick the box here. Next, it's asking us to insert our SIM card. The SIM card is located down here at the bottom, so slightly different. And as you'll notice as well, there's no speaker here. So what it does is the speaker and the sound will come through the USB-C connection port here. So we'll be testing that out definitely. This is a dual SIM model, and that will be available in the UK. And then also you can use one of them SIM trays for a new type of memory from Huawei. The storage is up to 256 gigabytes, giving you extra storage with your onboard option. So next is asking us, do we want to bring our data from a previous device? So in my next video, moving from iOS to Android, I'm actually going to show you how to do this. But first of all, you can choose from an Android device, an iPhone or an iPad, a Huawei cloud data backup, or a Google Cloud backup as well. Then we're going to need to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, this device offers a curved screen as well that just falls over the edge, and it looks absolutely stunning. Such a nice design. Of course, we have a notch, but inside alongside that, you do have a front-facing camera. And it's going to ask you to sign into your Google account. I recommend you do this so you can download all your apps, games, movies, TV shows, and enjoy all the services from Google. Google services, again, use all of these as it will give you the best output of your device. Huawei ID, so make sure you sign in with your Huawei ID to enjoy all their services. Do I want to use the cloud service? No, skip this. Device protection, so set fingerprint ID, set face unlock, or down here at the bottom you can set password or you can set PIN or pattern. So I want to show you the fingerprint, as this does offer a fingerprint sensor. So we're going to enable, so it wants us to use a code option here. So there's one brand new feature here for the Mate 20 Pro, that the fingerprint sensor is built into the device. So enroll fingerprint. So now we're going to enroll the edges. It's going to highlight areas that it wants to redo. There we go, our fingerprint is all set up and ready to go. That's amazing. That's one great feature to show on the brand new Mate 20 Pro. So enhanced services, again, yes, agree to and use. User experience improvement program, again, I agree to this and join to get the best possible features out of my device. And here we are set up and ready to go. Again, you can change the settings here to remove the notch if you don't like the notch, but the display is absolutely beautiful. If I just come down here, again, you've got your settings inside here. Turn it up to full brightness here and you get to see the full brightness of this display. Inside the notch is a 24 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.0 that supports 3D depth sensing, so you can get them fun faces and 3D portrait as well. Also built into the device is NFC, so you can use NFC. It has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistant. I do recommend you get a case for this device as it is a beautiful device. You do not want to damage this or scratch it as well. Set up the fingerprint sensor, so let's test it out. So it detects it wasn't that one. It detects it was that one, which is a great feature. Also, you have the face unlock, which is awesome as well. Also works well for myself with a visual impairment. I don't have to get close to the screen as it is a face unlock. It's not iris, which is a great option to have. Like I discussed earlier with these lenses, it offers such great ability. You've got autofocus, which is laser focus, phase focus, contrast focus. You've got supports AIS, which is Huawei AI image stabilization built inside here. Also, you have their nighttime shots and a whole range of features, and I will be doing a in-depth camera review. On the rear here, it can record video in 4K, and that is at 30 frames per second. On the bottom, as I discussed, it is a USB-C connection, which is 3.1. Battery inside is massive. It is 4,200 mAh battery, and with a 40-watt wired charger, you can get that charging time so quick. You get 70% in 30 minutes, which is amazing. It also has 15-watt wireless charger available. There's Qi charging inside here, so if you have a wireless Qi charger, you can use that and really enjoy the wireless charging options this device gives you. One other great feature is that you could provide power to your friends. This device offers a wireless reverse charging option. So if your friend's phone has died, they didn't get the right device, tell them to put it on your device and it will charge up this device for them, which is an amazing option, and I can't wait to show that. We've got a device that I can test it with and really show. With the 4,200 mAh battery in here, you can actually help your friends get the charge that they need. So talking about power and performance, inside here is the brand new 7 nanometer Kirin 980 chip with an octa-core processor. So there's 2 cores running at A76 2.6 GHz, plus 2 cores running Cortex A76 1.9 GHz, and 4 cores running Cortex A55 1.8 GHz. So it's going to give you loads of power and performance. There's 6 GB of RAM inside here. There's 128 GB of onboard storage, and also you can use the brand new nano storage options available. Taking a look down the edge of our device here, it has a very narrow profile. It's only 8.6 millimeters thick, so it's lovely and thin. So this device is available from now. You can go and pre-order this now, and the UK price is $899, so it's a fantastic pricing range. As you know, AI is in the camera and it can really help here. It can recognize more than 1,500 different scenarios in 25 different categories. So tagging your photographs is going to be easy and simple, and when it comes to searching as well with with AI in the gallery, it's going to be amazing. You can just type something in, it should bring it up as well. One other great feature with the camera is you can get up close. There is an option there to get up to really close with the super macro option, where you can only get 2.5 centimeters away from the object you're taking, but get stunning quality pictures. So I'm really looking forward to testing that out as well. So this was the unboxing and setup of the brand new Huawei Mate 20 Pro with a brand new triple lens camera from Leica. Looking forward to really testing this out. A massive thank you goes out to Huawei for inviting me to their event yesterday and providing me a phone to take away to review and test as well. If you have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below. Please give the video a like, as it does help. And also, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all my latest videos. From me, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.